Hello, okay, so we have been working on our Dojin moves using some Play-Doh. And the main moves we've been working on, first of all, is you need to splat it like this, splat, 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 other side, splat, 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 splat. And then what we're going to do is you need to quickly squeeze it and then we're going to roll it like this. Look, put it in your palm and roll around. And you're going to sing rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. And the next move you're going to do is the pinch. Look at this, get it between your, it's like almost like having crab hands. Crab, crab, and you're going to pinch it like this. Pinch, 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 pinch. And then the next move is a big squeeze, but we call it the dun-dun-dun. You ready? And you're going to squeeze it really hard like this. Squeeze it, and squeeze it, and squeeze it, and squeeze it. And then you're going to roll it like a sausage like this. Roll it like a sausage. So I've got it between my hands like that. Roll it like a sausage. And then I'm going to say piano. Other hand. And then we're going to go into the rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. And then back into the pinch, 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 pinch. And then squeeze. And then squeeze. And then squeeze. Are you ready? Let's go for it. So first of all, we're going to wake up our shoulders. And the song is Proud Mary by legend Tina Turner. So let's get those shoulders like this. Move them forward. Can you move them backwards? Like that. Wake them up. Are you ready? We're going to go up and down like this. Move number one, smack. You ready? Splat, splat, splat. Flip it. Flip it. Are you ready? Squeeze. Get ready to roll. Go. Look. Pinch. Pinch, 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 pinch. Ready to squeeze? Go. Shoulders. You ready to roll it like a sausage? Between your hands. Show me your piano. You ready? Other hand. Squeeze. Ready to roll. Go. Forward. You do it the side. Other side. Ready to pinch. Pinch, 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 pinch. Big squeeze.